So what I'm doing here is, you see that? That's half of a channel lock. I am scaling that as the biggest channel lock they make, and I scaled it up 3 times to make a collage of channel lock parts that mimics that 3 times. My ultimate goal here is to do this one next, have them laying together, and I want to make a big set of channel locks that is made from a collage of little channel locks. Yeah, it's a Pottsy thing. Stupid idea. You know what? I hope you guys had a great and Merry Christmas, because when you see this video, more than likely it's going to be after Christmas, because this I am giving to the CEO of Channellock. I think he'll dig it. All right, everybody, I got to get back after this. Let's do this. Michael. Sneak peek, Michael. What you making, Michael?
Making some centers for the flower ornaments.
All right, everybody, there you go. Let's do this. Heck, there it is. One big pair of channel locks. 3 times the size of their biggest pair. See? Made of a collage of channel locks. Pretty cool. There it is, 4-foot channel lock. It's all collage and little plier parts. Now to get it powder coated. I think Dusty and BJ is gonna freaking nail this. I got a crazy Pottsy idea for colors. Kind of excited to see how it turns out. Pretty happy with the end result of this guy. Heck yeah. That's the biggest set right there they make. That's 3 times bigger. Heck yeah, get you some of that. Well, there's the big set of channel locks all sandblasted. Gonna do a channel lock color scheme on this with blue handles and everything. Should look pretty cool when we get done with it. Oh, here it is before it gets the happy clear on it. How cool is that? The world's largest pair of channel locks. Coated by the man BJ. Heck yeah, get some of that.